You can hear this guy now. But you know what? Temperatures dropping. Oh, that's not good. Like this thing, like it just turned on. Do you hear this? Like it's a cold boot. The fact that you can hear the fans, yeah, that's something's not right. And it's ramping. It's very slowly getting louder. It's interesting. I wonder why these things are ramping so much. Bless you. Yeah, this plate isn't even hitting, like it's not even hitting 30. So I'm curious as to why this thing is ramping so much. So bent the PCI slot in. Yes. Yeah, I mean you can see even looking at this how close this is. Like that is close. What I want to do is I want to put the side on this and then stand it up and then put a load on the CPU and the GPU. And we're going to see what that does. Alright, so now let's put the side of this back on and then we're going to hit it with a load. I like this theme this guy's got going on. It's purple and blue. Yeah, I like the ones that are themed. I don't like the rainbow puke. Yeah. Like right now, like I've been slowly, like I'm upgrading my PC like just a part at a time, and like I'm at the point now where I don't have the patience to go through and set up any of like the lighting software. So I have it facing a wall right now. Man, that is pumping out heat.
Oh my lord.
So the back plate's 40. Yeah, so 45 on the back plate.
Looks like these fans are cool.
So these are pulled. So whatever side that this is on is up.
Yeah.
So, and he has, so he's pulling.
Mm-hmm.
And then this fan is going the right direction. So both of his fans are going the right direction. They're being pulled across. So it doesn't look like he has, like it's super like dirty or anything. This looks like this computer is relatively well taken care of.
Yeah, it's really clean.
Yeah. Ooh, come feel this glass.
Kind of scared too. Just feeling the back was enough.
This is like, it's not scalding, but you could warm a cup of coffee on that.
That's way too warm.
Yeah, and I can't get a reading off of the glass.
That is like way too warm.
Yeah, I can't get a reading off of the glass at all.
It's gonna be a no for me, dog.
Yeah. It could be for sure. Let's pull this.
Water in this?
Huh?
Swimming and shit?
Yeah. It's actually a lot of fun.
It looks fun.
I honestly, if you don't have people to play with, it's not the same being able to get on like with chat and stuff.
Mm-hmm. I mean, it looks fun. I don't want to pay $70 also.
Yeah, it's not worth it. Yeah, the heat coming off this thing is actually insane. Oh yeah, RTX, it's hot.
Ew. Cheery.
Yeah, my thought was originally.
Artifacts went away too for a sec when it was loading. When it finished.
Yeah, it is gone, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's got to be a temperature thing.
Yeah.
So, like earlier, these fans are pointed towards the back. Whoever set this up correct, because we don't, like, there's no shield there. So this was my original thought when I saw this, was the distance between here is so close that this thing is just getting so toasty, it's heating up the CPU. So what I did is I ran a burn-in test while running Firmark. And the CPU got up to 85, and then the GPU got up to 84, which is hot, but not like, and it got there and it just stayed there. So like my original thought of, oh, these are so close, we're just generating too much heat. It is still a possibility, but it's less likely that that's actually what the issue is, unless like the only other thing I can think is if this guy has this in like a desk that has this like pushed up against the back for some reason. But with the card, you know, video out in the back, I don't think that's what's happening. No, he didn't mention. Alright, so he keeps it on a desk and it's super inconsistent. Hi there, Editing Chris here. So you might have noticed there were some audio problems at the beginning of this video. As this video goes on, the audio problems actually get worse and worse, so I've just decided to cut the audio and just kind of give you a little explanation of what's happening. So after working on this computer for about 3 days, doing different tests and doing some stress tests, I decided to completely tear it down and put it back together. Going through rewiring everything, pulling the CPU cooler off, reapplying thermal paste, and then making sure everything is bolted down correctly. At the end, I'm able to get the temperatures down about 10 degrees over what I was seeing at the beginning. And what it came down to is hooking the fans up to a fan controller, like a single fan controller instead of having them split amongst two, really helped keep the temperatures down because all the fans in the system would ramp equally. So that's what you're seeing in this video. I apologize for the bad audio quality. There was a stretch of time where I was having a problem with my microphone. So hopefully future videos won't have this problem. But back to it. So, after redoing everything in there, under a full load, we are getting, the CPU is hitting 78, GPU is hitting 78. That is with the improved fan curves. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you ever have a question or concern about your computer and you just want to see if you can get an answer, swing by my Twitch channel. I'm usually there live. I can either myself or one of my community members will be able to answer your question. So stop by, hang out, and maybe learn a thing or two.